Let's see some of the benefits of modern home design. Modern homes that really shines are those that maintain a balance between design, structural efficiency, and overall aesthetic value. Featuring large, bold exterior elements, simple shadow sloped shade, or flat roof lines, mixture of natural wood, stone, metal, and glass elements, and sharp, clean lines. A goal of modern home design is to integrate aesthetically pleasing aspect into the overall design while minimizing unnecessary additions. Remember, you will be living in and looking at your homes for many years. Why not make it not only a functional masterpiece but also an eye-pleasing experience? Contact Architeca Design Build Fame and build your dream home.